How to connect Thermistor T248 to PS5. To connect, you have to follow this step. So first, unbox and assembly. After that, set the mode to PlayStation. So ensure the mode selector switch on T248 set to PlayStation. Step 3, connect to PS5. Now plug the USB cable from the wheelbase into the PS5's front USB port. After that, power on. Turn on your PS5 console, and then the T248 should light up and calibrate automatically. Step 5, check setting. Navigate to settings accessories on the PS5 to verify the T248 is recognized, and then adjust sensitivity and control setting if needed in game. And then finally, test in a game. Launch a racing game compatible with the T248, and then test the wheel, pedal and button for functionality. So these are ways you can try to connect your Thermistor T248 to PS5. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.